Affiliate marketing isn't just trending in 2025, it's one of the smartest ways to build online income with zero product, zero customer service, and nearly unlimited upside. If you've ever wondered how people make passive income online, this is it. Affiliate marketing is simple but powerful. You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's like digital word of mouth, but trackable and scalable. Here's how you get started. First, understand the system. You've got 4 key players: the merchant with the product, the affiliate, that's you, the consumer who clicks and buys, and sometimes an affiliate network that connects everything. Then comes choosing your niche. This is critical. You need a space that aligns with your passion, has real demand, and offers affiliate products you can believe in. In 2025, hot niches include AI tools, personal finance, remote work, and sustainable living. Once you've picked your lane, join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact. Start with beginner-friendly ones, build your track record, then scale up to higher paying networks. Next, build your online presence. That might be a blog, a YouTube channel, or even just a well-curated Instagram or TikTok page. Your platform is your storefront, and your content is the salesperson. Create value-first content, tutorials, product reviews, comparison articles, anything that helps your audience and integrates affiliate links naturally. And don't forget the tools. From SEO research to link tracking to email automation, your tech stack can make or break your affiliate game. Affiliate marketing in 2025 isn't about luck, it's about strategy, consistency, and playing the long game. You don't need to go viral, you need to go focused. If you're ready to go deeper and actually start your affiliate journey with step-by-step guidance, check out the full blog. The link is in the description below. It's packed with tools, examples, and pro tips to launch your affiliate marketing business the right way. Let's build your digital income engine, one link at a time.